Hello everyone, welcome to Rob's Repairs. Today I got a good one for you, guessed it. I'm going to show you how to take out this taillight on a 2017 VW Touareg. Pretty basic. All you need is 11, I believe it's 11 mil socket. Yep. And you need one of these bad boys. So the first thing you got to do to get it out, you got to take out this little clip. Right there. Get yourself some, plastic spoon of some kind. Something thinner. Yep, right. That's all you gotta do is just get on the back side of it. It's got a little dealy bob right there. You can get on it. And then right inside of here is a 11 millimeter socket. Get your 11 mil on it. Get yourself a little ratchet. Once you loosen it up, you should be able to do it by hand. Should be able to. Okay, now this, it only goes so far. I think that should be good enough, but we'll see. Then you just kind of hit it. You can see it moved away a little bit. Just gently. She comes right out. The wires are short on these. I believe they're LEDs. So if you want to get inside of there, all you got to do is pry this and this, kind of pull, and these are on the other side too. So you got to do the two bottom ones, kind of cock it, and then do the two top ones, and this whole thing comes right out. But it has wires on the inside too to hold it. So then you have to, in order to get the wire off, you got to use like your finger, just touch it together, little tab, push down, and pull it out. It reminds me of a phone cord that plugged in to the wall back in the day. Just a little button. So now when we put the taillight back in, you got to make sure that the taillight slides into this slot. This little button here slides into the taillight slot right there. So let's put taillight back in quick. First thing you want to do is you want to just kind of eyeball that slot. Don't worry about nothing else. Make sure it's going to go into that slot. So you want to push in kind of like I'm doing. Make sure here, yep. Just kind of push in the taillight a little bit once you got it in the pocket. And just see if it'll, yep. You'll know it's in there because it'll be flush here. If it's not in there, it'll be sticking out a little bit. So once that's in, just go ahead and take your 10, get her back, hold the taillight, get her back, start screwing it in. I pretty much just do it by hand. You don't have to use a ratchet, it doesn't need to be cranked. And then just stick this back in there. That's it. That's all she wrote. Taillight's back in. That's how you take a taillight out and put it back in on 2017 VW Touareg. Totally appreciate you guys watching, liking, commenting, subscribing to my channel. It's going to help me grow. Totally appreciate it. Hope you're having a good day, and I'll catch you on the next video. Thank you.